This is Saxon 4, Lesson 3, Sequences and Digits. So I'm going to start with digits. Digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Those are your digits. Using these digits, you can make up any number. Okay, so if I'm saying number 1, that is made up of one digit, the digit 1. Okay, if I'm saying the number 24, it is made up of two digits, the digit 2 and the digit 4. Now, if you notice, I didn't put 0 up there. That's because 0, while technically a digit, is better referred to as a placeholder. So 0 is a placeholder. It's to tell you that nothing is there. That is the purpose of 0. So if I have the number 10, for instance, what this 0 is telling me is that there is nothing in the ones column, okay? But there is one 10 in the tens column. But this is why I didn't put 0 up with these original digits. It's because while 0 is used to create all the numbers that we know, it is also referred to as a placeholder. And that's how I want you to think of it, is I want you to think of it as a placeholder. It means nothing is there. If I give you the number 2,354, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and it is using the digits 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So again, the digits are the building blocks that make up the numbers we use. If you need a refresh on digits or a little bit longer of an explanation, you can go to the digits video in Math Concepts. Now, sequences. A sequence is a pattern of numbers. So for example, if I had the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, this is a sequence. The sequence pattern is I'm going up by 1 each time, which means that if I asked for the 18th term, which is what these are all terms. If I asked for the 18th term, it would be 18, because I know I'm going up 1 each and every time. Some of the more common sequences you'll see are 2, 4, 6, and if I had a blank one, this is now a missing term. So my sequence is 2, 4, 6, and I have a missing term. So to find this missing term, I need to know what my pattern is. My pattern in this case, I'm going to figure out what the difference is between these two numbers. Now they are going up. So that means if they're going up, I'm either adding or multiplying. If they were going down, I would be either subtracting or dividing. So let's see if I can do this. Well, the difference between 2 and 4, I know, is 2, me adding 2. Let's see if that's the same for the difference between 4 and 6. 4 and 6, the difference is add 2. So I now know my sequence is adding 2. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to add 2, which will give me 8. Okay, I've now found the missing term to my sequence. Let's try another one. Let's look at 30, 27, 24, 21, missing term. Okay, so this is now, as you can see, it is not going up, it is going down, which means I'm either subtracting or dividing. Okay, so let's do this one. 30 to 27. Well, let's find out. If I take 30 and take away 27, I need to, there we go, redistribute. So I borrowed from the 3 column. If you need a refresher on subtraction with like this, you need to go to the subtraction videos in Math Concepts. So 10 take away 7 is 3, and 2 take away 2 is 0, which means I am taking away 3 from those two. Let's see if it's the same between these two. Okay, this one's a little bit simpler. I can do it this way. I can pretend I'm doing 7 take away 4, or 7 to get to 4, so I can start at 7, and how many do I take away to get to 4? 1, 2, 3. So that works. Let's try the next one just to make sure. Starting at 4, I need to get to 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and it works. Okay, so all of these now work. So that means to get to my next one, I am taking away 3. So 21, take away 3. I can use my fingers to do this, or I can do 21, take away 3. I'm going to have to borrow again. This becomes 1. This becomes 11. 11, take away 3. 1, 2, 3 gives me 8. And that. So I end up getting 18. That is my missing term. So I have now found my sequence. My sequence is here. The code to my sequence is take away 3, and my missing term was 18. I have, in this sequence right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. That is Sequences and Digits, Saxon 4, Lesson 3.